Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add YouTube video in Trello. So let's start. First, what you want to do, let's just find some YouTube video here. Let's go with Alan Watts. I love Alan Watts. And let's choose this video. Why not now? Alan Watts is a wonderful post-war philosopher and I recommend to watch him a lot. So right now what you want to do is, when we have it, is here click add another card. Let's write it 1 to 3. Let's edit the card and now click attachment and you can attach a link. Let's attach it here and link name Alan Watts. Attach. So right now we have it here, and when I'm going to click X, you can see it here that it got attachment, and when I'm going to click on it, it will redirect me here. It's wonderful. I recommend you to watch this video. You will love it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.